Hello children, how are you? All are fine now? Today we will start in English chapter 3. Sound of double E and double O. First we will start sound of double E, okay? B double E B, D double E R dear, K and double E knee, S H double E P sheep, S T R double E T street, T R double E tree. Some more words to learn. Fee, see, jeep, free, agree, beat, feet, meet, greet, sweet. Beep, heap, keep, peep, weep, feel, heal, peel, reel, teeth. You want to read like this 2 times, okay?